This project was over a year in the making, and it's finally happening. That's right, the water cooling build I've been talking about for over a year is almost here. And as someone who hasn't water cooled before, let's just say it's a bit challenging. But first, let's begin with the part choices, starting with the graphics card. Yep, it's goodbye Intel and welcome back Nvidia. Yes, my short excursion with Team Blue has come to an end, and I'm back in the loving arms of Nvidia. Well, okay, maybe not loving, they don't really like us gamers right now, but don't worry Nvidia, I still love you, and I'm used to situations where the feelings are mutual. All the other parts are either from EK for the pump and reservoir and the block, or Corsair for the radiators. And yes, that is hardline water cooling. Now, most of the tubes have been already cut yesterday, as you can see, with actually my dad cutting most of them. But there's just one we have left to do before we can start filling this thing up with water, right there, which is going to be quite a challenge. Now, that does mean I have to take out a reservoir, and you're probably wondering, why exactly are these red bits here? Well, funny story, except not really. When all those moons ago I originally made a lot of these purchases, I didn't realize that the angled bracket holder for the reservoir is actually for 120mm radiators rather than 140mm ones. But then there's an issue. No one makes 140mm ones. So I tried to 3D print one, my 3D printer refused to collaborate, and I had to get someone else to print it for me. And they were only able to print it in red. Regardless, we move on, and now it's time to cut. And I'm just so scared I'm gonna get this wrong. Well, I think it fits, and if it fits, it sits. I'm pretty sure it's also marked with my blood. Now then, CPU block-wise, I was originally supposed to use this one, an EK Velocity with the kind of nice transparent thingy. However, well, it's kind of mangled beyond use. So in fact, to get all the measurements for the tube right now, yeah, there's no CPU or ILM inside right now. It's just the block on an empty socket, which is rather scary. Okay, and for better or worse, with everything assembled, I think we can take this thing upstairs now. Okay, now before I fill it up, there's a couple of more upgrades I want to do, including the PSU, because I'll be upgrading to the Dark Rock Pro 13 that Beat quite recently sent over. Do I need this monster PSU in this thing? Oh no, not really, but I don't want it to go to waste. Okay, and it's almost the end of the day. Everything's fitted in. I think we can actually fill it now. Now, while I was thinking about colored coolant, the issue is it does kind of lock you into a specific style. So I wanted to see exactly how good normal water looks first. And also this project has literally drained my entire bank account, and colored coolant could have been a thing that broke the camel's back. So, you know, I'll just be sticking to water, or more specifically, deionized water. And yeah, I'll just use this because I have nothing better. Okay, here it goes. Whoa, 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 okay. What on earth just happened? Where is it leaking from? And the weird thing is that down here, it's actually pretty dry. There's a bit on a cable down there, but apart from that, I don't think we actually sustained much damage, which is promising. I think I may have just slightly overfilled, and the port just didn't really keep up. Now, a part of me wants to get the pump going, so we can get some, you know, liquid actually flowing. But the other part of me is scared because I'm pretty sure I did see some water go towards the motherboard. But then, like, again, I can't see any. Okay, never mind. This is bad. This is bad. Oh my word, yeah, that's so bad. Something somewhere's very much leaking. Where though? Like, the whole thing is dry. I can't see where the weak point actually is. It's the graphics card. It's this one right here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's leaking. That's very much leaking. Yeah, that is very much the problem. If you couldn't tell, I also deployed a lot more paper towels just in case, and the PSU is also on the outside of the case this time. And I don't know, here goes nothing, I guess. Am I just crazy, or is it like not going down at all? What? I think because the PC's at a bit of an angle, the water isn't like dispersing around the block. Okay, I need something to like hold it up. Okay, yeah, the water just wasn't going in, so I decided to improve my pouring mechanism. I think improved is not the right word. Okay, I think I can't fill it up anymore without turning on the pump, which is the thing I've been fearing the most. If my PC actually turns on and hasn't died from water damage, I'll be actually genuinely surprised. When I flip that switch, one of two things will happen. Either the PC will blow up or everything will be fine. And if the former, at least I'll have content. Okay, nothing wrong yet. I think I'm ready to press the big scary button. but I do have my hand on the turn off button at the same time. It's pumping. Okay, it's pumping, it's pumping, it's pumping. It's pumping. Cool, 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 cool. Is it leaking anywhere? Don't see it yet. Oh, I needed to, it's not going away. The water is still there, so I can't fill it anymore. Okay, I'm turning it off. Okay. Okay, it pumped. It definitely pumped. I saw water go over here, and I don't actually see any leaks, which is good. However, there's water here still to the very top of the of this port. So I can't fill it anymore until this water gets dispersed somehow, but it's just not going away. I spent the last who knows how long slowly but surely filling it up, and I think we can now turn it on again. Okay, there's some paper being shredded, but that's fine. Water is being slowly moved, and I think I can start to add some more. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think it's full. I think we can finally flip it over. About time, because it's almost 1 PM and I still haven't eaten anything today. Okay. Moment of truth now. Does it actually still work? Or was everything I did for nothing? I mean, it's taking a while, but whenever you switch out stuff like the graphics card, I'm the best. I'm the best. Now, of course, the first thing I have to try out on my brand new RTX 4080 and the rest of the build is, of course, Cyberpunk 2077. One of the main reasons I wanted to upgrade, and also why I wanted to get this done by the release of Phantom Liberty and failed miserably. Okay, so check this out. DLSS frame generation on, quality DLSS. Array reconstruction isn't available, which is interesting. And then literally everything else on maximum, plus ray tracing set on Psycho, with path tracing on as well. This is the end game right here. Okay, yeah, I had to turn on ray tracing first before I could turn on ray reconstruction. That would make sense. And max settings, 46, 47 FPS. It does look absolutely fantastic. This is peak Cyberpunk right here. 54 FPS average on the highest settings. I'm done. I've seen everything. You cannot comprehend how I feel right now with everything that has gone wrong with this build, with all of the delays and the hundreds of dollars worth of additional parts I had to buy for the dumbest of reasons because of this stuff going wrong. It's finally finished. So cherish it, my dear viewers. Cherish it. Now naturally this won't be in a runner video without some begging, and like I said, so many costs were incurred in this project. It has gone so over budget for just the most insane of reasons that I'm pretty sure I have some curse on me or something, and I thought things didn't get worse with this build when I originally built it. And there's a lot of ways to help me recoup these losses that I incurred while making this awesome project for you guys, including our Patreon, where I'm gonna actually have an entire blog post up about all of the things that have gone wrong in this build so far. That thing is almost 4,000 words already, and I haven't even finished writing it. You can also support us by becoming a YouTube channel member to get access to exclusive videos and other perks, and of course, if you wanna buy anything featured in this video yourself, then our Amazon and Newegg links will be down in the description below. Plus also huge thanks to our existing patrons Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Badash Welcome, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcraft, Lansby and Level Up. Like, actually, thank you so much guys, this project wouldn't be possible without you. Plus down there you're also going to find our merch store, our Discord server and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad it's over. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Time to play some Phantom Liberty.